Friends, let me tell you about today's video sponsor, Camel City Mill. Over the years, I've worn a lot of different socks in my life, and these right here, guys, are the best I've ever worn. I've been wearing these since January of this year, and I haven't looked back since, guys. It's all that I wear. These Camel City socks will change your lives, guys, trust me. Friends, one of the most important things on me are my feet because I'm on them all day long. I'm wearing work boots for 12 hours a day, and I hate having sweaty feet. And up until just a few months ago, that was something I dealt with every day. Friends, I walk on concrete every day here at the farm, and these socks make the difference when it comes to standing on a hard surface. So one of the key features I really love about these socks is they're made in North Carolina here in the USA, not too far down the road from where I live. And right here in the label, guys, it says 14-hour shift, easy mode. I'm here to report sometimes I'll wear these socks for 16 hours, sometimes longer if I'm working on a project out here at the farm with no problems at all. Guys, this Black Friday sale is going on right now. There's a link down below in the video description, also in the top comment. If you've been on the fence about buying these socks, now's the best time to do it so you can save some money. And if you've already bought some of these socks in the past, it's a good time to go ahead and add to your collection and get rid of those old socks that don't work. These work, guys. Take advantage of this sale and go get you some. There's a link down below. Well guys, this right here is kind of weird. It's almost 12 o'clock and the chickens are still in the hen house. Well, there they come. Come on girls, I got some treats for you. All right girls, some leftover hamburger buns. Wear it out. And don't fight. There's plenty. I expect a dozen eggs in the morning. That ain't gonna happen. We're lucky to get 2 eggs a day out of these girls. Most of them are 4 years old. I'm not sure what to do with them, to be honest with you though. I hate to kill them. And the meat's kind of tough. You can do stewed chickens with them. And at this point, they're kind of like pets. I don't know. Let's go check on the new ones in the garage real fast. They've grown quite a bit since you guys have last seen them. So they've outgrown the brooder. And I tell you what, guys, these girls are getting big. Check them out. So this morning, we're forming up another wall. I have 2 walls left right here to seal up this part of the shop. And I need some pressure treated 2x8s to put on the other side of that form. That way I can go ahead and seal that up, and we'll probably pour this little stem wall today. I doubt I'll do this one today. I usually do one at a time. I'm in no hurry. But we should be good on getting that one done right there. But there's one problem. Seems like there's always a problem. And that problem is I don't have any pressure treated 2x8s, and I need a 2x12 for this wall right here because it's even higher from the ground. So as bad as I hate to, I guess we're going to have to stop what we're doing and head over to Home Depot and grab some wood. You guys be easy on the comment section though. I can't produce pressure treated wood here. I just can't do it. I hate starting a project and having to stop because you don't have something that you need, but it's my fault. I should have come up here yesterday or days before that and planned this out better and checked around and saw that I didn't have any pressure treated wood. I thought I had some of these 2x8s laying around, and apparently I don't. I got a pile of leftover pressure treated lumber from the barn build, and I got plenty of 2x4s. If I need a 2x4, I would have a stack of 2x8s. That's usually the way it goes. But there is one positive to this. It's about lunchtime, which means that gives me a good excuse to go over to my favorite restaurant and have lunch. Best barbecue in town. You guys hang in there.
Promise of heaven in the warning of hell. Take heed where you ramble, or too soon you will go. Way up on the hillside where the new flowers grow. Well, they met in the springtime, the sun sank low. Two star-crossed lovers in the still melting snow, where the loving was easy and the courting was brief. Well, they called her a beauty, they called him a thief. In the quiet of the evening, they'd steal away where the laughter would flow.
Should be enough to fill in that gap and pour the concrete against. And it's pressure treated for ground contact, so no problem right there. But it looks like, no, it's hung on a rock. That might be a little too tight. Also guys, in case you're curious, this is pressure treated like I was saying, and let's say it lasts 20 years and then it starts to rot. Well, that'll be just fine. I'll go on the outside of the building, I'll take this off, and we'll have concrete facing the outside, so it really don't matter. Go ahead and toenail this in. Ain't gonna take much because the weight of the concrete will actually keep it in place pretty good. All right, guys, got that taken care of. Got the mud mixer cleaned up, and I tell you what, that machine right there is handy, and I think I figured out why my previous pours were too wet. Instead of doing like one bag at a time, fill this hopper up as much as you can put in it. I actually had the extension on there today. It's over there drying off. And if you fill that up pretty good, and you got continuous flow coming out, excuse me, I can't talk, look over me, I'm from Tennessee. You have a continuous flow coming out. The chute down there, it stays pretty solid. it doesn't get too wet on you. It gets wet if you let the concrete run out, then you grab another badge. So that's the secret to this machine, in my opinion, keeping that hopper full. And the setting for my use here, or my application rather, I'm not sure why I said my use, my goodness. I like to set that at 26. So due to the lack of lighting, which is my fault, I need to put lights back here really bad. I can't take you guys back here and show you the stem wall, but it looks pretty good. Just take my word for it. Well, it's getting dark on me again. It's only 5 o'clock, and it'll be dark out here probably the next 30 minutes. Under the truck, once again, Hatefulest Cat on YouTube. Hello, Mama. You ready to call today? Time to shut up the chickens for the night. We actually have an automatic door over here. I think at 8:30 or maybe 8 o'clock. I can't remember. My wife sets it. That door will shut, then it will open at 6 o'clock in the morning. You girls heading in? This is the one right here that's been sick. She's still hanging around though. She just ain't feeling too good. Might as well come over here and check and see how many eggs we got. Mama, what are you doing over here? Well, that's a shocker right there. No eggs. Those are all decoys right there. No eggs today, my goodness. You girls are going to have to do better. I gave you guys about 4 hamburger buns today. I'm expecting a dozen eggs in the morning. Think you can pull that off? Probably not. So guys, I guess I'm finished for the day. I actually done more off camera than I showed you guys before I poured that concrete. I had to do some mowing back here behind the barn, and I didn't film that because it's kind of boring. I'm just running the mower. So anyways, guys, let me know down in the comments what you think about these little vlog work days where I pretty much have no theme to the video. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing around here. And sometimes it takes more than one day to make a full video, such as this instant right here. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys back here on the next one.